what's up, YouTube? So I am here with my student that's about to take her driving test in one of my Broward County location. We're gonna run through the test one last time. She's practiced. She knows what she's doing. She's gonna get 100%. Right?
100.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure. So yeah, before I get into the video though, I'm gonna go into my begging tantrum that I always do. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. Alright, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Alright, so we're gonna run through the driving test one time. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn the steering wheel left away from the curb. You put the car in park, pull the handbrake up, the emergency handbrake, and you turn the ignition off.
Cool. You got it. Alright, so then they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. So signal right, signal left, blow the horn, and press the brake. So they're gonna make sure that the brake lights, turn signal lights are all working. Right? So now they're gonna ask you to reverse from here and make go to the left. They're gonna say go to the left and then make an immediate right. Right? So reverse, go to the left, go to the stop sign and make a right turn. So you look behind and you're gonna roll back until the mirror gets to the end of the white line. Okay, that's good. So now you're going to the left, so you turn right.
Yeah.
And look behind.
Someone.
Again, they're gonna be outside talking to you on the phone. So they want you to literally look back. They don't want you using the mirrors necessarily. So you, because they're not in the car, they can't really see 100% if you're using the mirror. So you can use it a little, but don't make it too obvious. And look at that.
Someone just flew past me.
These people just drive through the parking lot like it's not there. Ridiculous. Alright, go ahead and make a right turn.
Signal.
And then make an immediate right turn. So they can make you turn here or they can make you turn down there. Either way, it's the same thing. You know what I mean?
Here or down there.
Yeah.
Make sure the mirror is past the
curb. So your back wheel will pass the curb. Alright, so here you're gonna speed up to about 10 to 15 miles per hour.
Okay.
All the way down to the end. You see, you got this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Alright, so we're making the right turn, so you signal.
Yeah.
Complete stop.
Yeah.
So you look to the left, make sure there's no cars, and go ahead and make a right turn. And make an immediate right turn. Alright, so we're gonna pull down here, straight down, and then they're gonna tell you to stop at some point. So go straight, don't go this far. This car is in the parking space, but it's parked properly, so it's good.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna stop about here, and then reverse, straight back.
Okay.
Look, yeah, look behind and just let it roll straight back. And these people drive through the parking lot.
They don't care.
As if it's not really a regular parking lot. For real, it's the weirdest thing. They just drive across it. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, so now we're gonna speed up to 20. They're gonna tell you, right?
Okay.
The next maneuver is quick stop. So speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Push it down, faster than that. And stop. Just like that. It is what it is. Alright, so you're gonna go closer to the right side and then park on your left. Always try to pull as close to the right as possible when you're parking, because it gives you more room,
so,
you know?
I think I'm to the right now.
Yeah, and then go up and line up your mirror, just like we've been doing.
So about there.
Yeah, that looks good. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And again, I'm not showing outside because we're at a DMV, you feel me? So
Yes, sir.
you can't really put it out there like that. Straighten your wheel, and that is just about perfect. Alright, that's good. Yes, that's good. Alright, reverse, straight back. We're gonna go down there to do the 3-point turn. So again, you're backing out of the cones. The cones will be here. When your mirror get past the cone, then you're gonna turn.
Like about here.
Yes. And so you're going to the right, you turn.
Yeah, turn all the way left then. Go going to the right.
Absolutely.
Let me stop.
Alright, put it in drive. All the way to the right. Alright, so we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn to do the 3-point turn.
Stop. And then we're going to
So
the
you're gonna
right.
stop completely.
No, we're going to the left.
You're going
Sorry.
left. So you're gonna look,
left.
make sure it's clear.
There's a car. Okay, so we can go.
Alright, put up close to the right side without going over those lines.
The yellow lines,
Yes.
okay.
Because then they're gonna tell you to, once you straighten up here, they're gonna tell you to stop about here and do the 3-point turn.
So it's left.
Signal left, yeah.
There's nothing coming. Turn. Steering wheel all the way left. Okay.
And you're going
Then to there. About here.
about here, yeah.
And then put it in reverse.
All the way
And then
right.
it's all the way right. A little bit of gas, cause then get the mirror to the middle of the road.
Yeah, go back a little bit more.
Just a little bit.
That's good.
And then
Cool.
I didn't drive.
Signal left again.
Yep. Thank God I didn't press nothing.
Yeah, because again, if you don't signal, you lose,
You lose 4 points.
for
So we're
each
not
one.
going to do that today.
Exactly. Alright, make a right turn again. So again, you go
Signal.
up until the mirror is past the curb. Alright, all the way. And again, they've been asking people to park on the right side. I've seen them do that like 3 days in a row. So I want you to park on the right.
On the right.
So this time
you
I
said
want you to go
over
slightly
somewhere.
left, yes. And then find a space and turn all the way right into it.
This one? Maybe?
You're going too much left though.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
not showing it, but
Oh, wait. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Don't do that, guys.
Alright.
So here.
And then turn all the way right.
Okay, let's see if we make it.
Yeah, it'll be alright. Just watch it and start straightening up her
Start straightening up a little earlier. Right?
Yeah. And then
Wait, it's not perfect, but.
and straighten the wheel. Straighten up, and that's good. Alright, park.
Oh, we made it. Oh, we in the center too.
Put it in park. Yeah. So yeah, that's what they're doing, right? Remember, like I said, once you come around that corner, they're gonna stop paying attention to you anyway, right? They're just gonna say park on the right somewhere,
Okay.
and they're gonna be there scoring you. Hopefully, they'll have nothing to write on your paper because you would have gotten 100.
Yes.
So
Period.
yeah, so so they'll just be walking over here to give you your paper,
Okay.
and that will be the
And
end
then I gotta
of
take
your
my
test.
picture.
You're gonna take your picture. Well, you'll take your picture before.
Oh yeah, you took a picture before you get in the car.
Yeah, exactly. So you'll just go upstairs and get your license.
Get it printed out. Yeah.
Okay, so you see, she did extremely well. She's definitely going to get 100% on her test. Right? And I will let you guys know when she's done. Yeah, so she passed.
Yes, guys, I passed.
And guess what she got? Tell them what she got.
I got 95.
I was gonna say 100, but she said 95.
Yeah, because
So she got 95.
Oh, I was overthinking, but yeah, it's
But
close
she did
to a
good.
perfect
She did
score.
good. She did good.
Amazing.
Yeah. All right,
The only
so
time to take the points off is because you
that's
have
it.
to-
I guess we're out. All right, madam.
I'm gonna go get it. She said just go to the cashier.
Just go upstairs and go straight to the cashier. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right, great.